Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be doing something a bit different. I will be testing out a polygel kit that I did purchase with my own money on Amazon, and I will have everything linked down below. So as you guys can see here, I am starting off with their instructions. And by the way, this is a polygel kit by Astound Beauty. It comes with 50 tool forms along with a 100-180 grit file, which is always a plus. It also includes a double-sided brush with the brush on one side and the spatula on the other, of course. And it also includes a thank you card that they give you, and if you want to contact them or check out their social medias. Here I'm just showing you the base coat, and here is the top coat as well. So now I'm just going to be showing you guys the polygels that it comes with and what they do. So starting off here, I have the Moon Dust polygel, and this is actually a shimmer polygel, which I don't own any of, so that is cool. Then here we also have the Glowing Spring, which is a glow-in-the-dark polygel. Here we have the Red Coral, which is another shimmery polygel that the kit includes. Here we also have the Starlight polygel, which is a really nice blue. And lastly, we have Purple Hydrangea, which is the color changing one. And here I'm just showing you guys the swatches after they've been cured. And in the dark, for you can see the glow-in-the-dark one, which is really cool. So here I have my full cover tips laid out. That is what I will be using today, because for me it is the easiest method to apply polygel. So first I will just place base coat on all my nails, but off camera I did place a peel off coat just for video purposes to pop them right off after the video. So here you just see me apply the base coat on all my nails, and then I just cure it for 60 seconds. So here I'll be using my Efile, and this is the buffing bit. It is a medium grit, so I pretty much just use the Efile to buff out the nail on the top and the inside, and it pretty much just gives it a nice plush look, and it looks more blended in with the cuticle area. So the first polygel I will be applying is the Purple Hydrangea. So I will just be applying this polygel color on the entire nail and seeing how it looks. I'm really excited to test out this polygel and just see the consistency of it, how it works, if it's manageable. So here I am just applying it with the spatula. And by the way, I didn't show it, but I will be using 100% acetone as my slip solution. It works perfectly fine for me, and so that's what I will be using. So as you guys can see here, I am just lightly patting, and as I am applying the polygel, I realize that this polygel is an excellent polygel. If you are a beginner in polygel, I definitely recommend Astound Beauty, and it's also really affordable compared to all the other polygel kits that I saw on Amazon. This one was at, I think it was $33.99, so it's not bad at all. But do keep in mind you do get 15 grams of polygel. I was kind of thrown off when I saw that, but I didn't even waste that much product at the end, so it was all okay. So here I'm just applying it, and I will stop talking now and I will just let you guys watch me work throughout the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Another thing that I wanted to point out about this polygel is that it works Not only does it work flawlessly, but also it color changes so effortlessly, and that is definitely a plus for me. So as you guys can see here, look how easily it just changes color. This is definitely the easiest polygel that I've worked with thus far. So every time that I place the nail onto my nail plate and I like the way that it's positioned, I will just go in and cure it for 60 seconds. So next I'll be using the glowing spring along with the purple hydrangea, and pretty much I will just be randomly placing them on the nail and kind of doing like sort of a marble effect, I guess you can say. So here you guys will just watch me do the process, and I hope you guys like the way it turned out. I think it was probably my favorite nail out of all of them. So here are what the nails look like after I've shaped them and after I've filed them. They are looking beautiful. I'm really loving them. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add some rhinestones. these are the final results of the nails. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really had fun creating this video for you guys, and by the way, I definitely recommend this Polygel kit. It's definitely an A on my list. And here I'm just showing you what they look like in the dark. So as you can see, they are so cool. I don't even know how they're able to come up with these type of things, but it's very, very nice. And here I went to wash my hands for you guys could see the color change in the nail. And I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.